Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add or create a bullet point in your text messages and announcements for your Slack workspace, for example, to notify your channel members or to give your text messages, notifications and announcements more structure. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So head over to Slack, log into your account, access the workspace you would like to edit and customize. And after that, let me, for example, use a channel for that. You may also use a conversational chat if you like. However, I am going to use this channel here for the sake of this tutorial. So here at the bottom, you will see the text box. This is where you can enter your message and send it to your other workspace or channel members. So basically, all you need to do, guys, to add a bullet point is click on that icon here, bulleted list. You may also use the shortcut Control-Shift-8 on your keyboard. And there you go, the first bullet point has been placed. So type in, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 or something like that. And then simply add another bullet point or press enter to send the message. So if I add, for example, or create a new text message and add the first bullet point with the number 1 and then click again on that button here, the second bullet point will be added. So let me enter number 2 and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, super simple. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, could learn something from this. And we'll see you next time on our channel.